welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on Faraday Future. Ticker is FFIE. Yeah, we have to make here an update, guys, because we're coming very close now here to the $1 range. And as you know, or if you don't know, the $1 range is very, very important here for the listing requirement on the NASDAQ here, guys. So that means that Faraday Future should not go much lower than $1 here, and if they go lower, they should recover really quick. So I give you here my full chart analysis, what we have to expect here for FFIE and where I think the price will go before we see maybe here a technical reaction. Everything what I say here is of course not financial advice. This is my opinion here based on the chart. Yeah, guys, since the massive short squeeze here in May, guys, the stock is tanking down. So we had here our absolute incredible 10,000% squeeze. To be honest, that was also for this year. I mean, you have still some trading days left, but for this year, that was also my personal biggest squeeze here, which I had. I talk here very, very often about short squeeze stocks, and I also try to predict short squeezes here in the market. Faraday Future, yeah, was absolute incredible, was an exception in my opinion here, but you can see everything what comes quick up goes down quick as well. And unfortunately, Faraday Future could not hold these price levels here. Even we had massive volume. But yeah, guys, we're trading here in the $1 range. So it gets very, very dangerous right now here related to the price. However, we have many, many squeezes in the market. I can just show you that, guys, here in all my videos. I try to predict short squeezes here every week. I upload here every Sunday my so-called hot stocks. And in addition to my hot stocks, these tickers here are my personal finest selection of short squeeze stocks where I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. And yeah, in addition to that, I post also swing trade alerts on Patreon. I just give you here a very quick overview just from this week, guys. Already 3 of my stocks squeezed 169%, 107%, and 250% in one day. So you can see there are a lot of options here in the market to make money, a lot of stocks. Not only crypto, also the stocks are squeezing here like nothing. Faraday Future is unfortunately right now not part of it, but that doesn't mean that this ticker cannot squeeze at all. So before we dive in here in the chart, if you want to see those secret short squeeze stocks, guys, you can also become here a member of our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here which you get when you join in, and every day new members coming in. We are here a very fast growing community, and when you click here the info icon in the corner, you get access to the Patreon member link, guys. So Faraday Future, guys, what is the game plan? So we can see that there is no big support anymore. The last technical reaction which we had was here in September. Yes, we had some volume spikes in between, but when I show you here my drawings, then you will also understand why there is no technical support, at least if I'm right with the chart. But you can see here also my previous videos, you can see that my chart analysis for Faraday Future works here quite well. So, and we have here now the liquidity zone. We left the potential bullish support. The green box here is the last point of support in my opinion for the bulls. So that means everything here between $1.52 and $1.28 was the calculated date range or price range which we have here in favor for the bulls. And you can see that we dipped now below that. We tried to come back in this zone, but even here the very weak EMA lines, yeah, when we just focus one more time here just on the indicators, you can see that even the EMA lines here are rejecting the price, and this is a sign of weakness. That means we have not enough buying volume here, buying volume in the market. A lot of red candles here in the volume profile as well. And this is simply like that. The short sellers will not step back. They will not cover any of their positions if the bulls don't show their strength, if they get some signals here that the bulls are coming back. So when we see these kind of volume spikes here, that doesn't literally mean that we have here bulls stepping in. That can just simply mean that they cover some of their fail to delivers here, or you can also call those naked shares or naked shorts. But this is everything here made by the market makers, and as I just said, even if we don't use here any drawings, we can see how easy Faraday Future get rejected here by the EMA lines. And of course, when the price is trading below the EMA lines, this is not bullish at all. So guys, but let's talk about the hope. Let's talk about the price ranges which we yeah, could see. And when you see here the drawings, everything here below this blue box, these are here my drawings, guys, which I made pre-split before we had the reverse stock split for Faraday Future. And when you understand how trading works, I have a lot of tutorials here for members on my channel, guys. When you want to understand how trading works, the algos here work in the same way. It doesn't matter if the company's executing a split or not. And that will mean when we follow up this trend channel pattern here, then we will end up here, unfortunately, guys, sooner or later in the next days or weeks, here in the price range of 76 cents to 68 cents. This is what I expect. Yeah, that don't has to happen. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we have here just a shakeout and we see here a massive squeeze incoming and squeeze back here and retest $1.97, which was our previous, yeah, very small thin support. But for now, guys, the problem with Faraday Future is that we have no support at all. The EMA lines rejecting us. Yes, we have here the good news. I will show you the good news, of course, as well. We have this overall trend channel pattern. If you didn't see my previous videos here, when we had this short squeeze, then this main or macro, let's call it macro trend channel pattern here, you can just focus here on the yellow line in the chart here. That line rejected the price over and over again. Every squeeze attempt which Faraday Future had has been rejected instead or beside the one massive 10,000% squeeze in May. That was the only time when we broke this algo price level here, or the algo trend channel. But of course we had here also a lot of volume. That's why I say, is a squeeze still possible for FFIE? Yes, guys, but we need volume, volume, volume. And as we also know, Faraday Future is diluting the stock, so we not only have here 21% short interest of the float, which is very high. Also Faraday Future is diluting the stock. We can see that now here the actual float is 43 million shares compared to just 11 million shares here in October. And this is, of course, an absolute squeeze killer, guys, when we have dilution like that. But the float is still low, yeah, compared to some other stocks in the market, which also have potential to squeeze. And that's why we have still here some technical chance to see here a bounce happen for FFIE as soon as the bulls stepping in. So when we focus here on the RSI, it looks still not bad. The RSI looks good. In my opinion, we could see here a little bit more pain, but you can see that we start to build up here a bullish divergence. Yeah, the price is going down. The RSI is already going up. This is good, guys. This is a bullish divergence, which means the RSI is starting to show here some strength. Maybe we need here one final shakeout, one drama. Yeah, we had the last shakeout here. You can see the market makers managed it here. I will switch off one more time the drawings. You can see we had here a gap down. Yeah, a gap down is what we want to see, because every time when Faraday Future gaps down, we start to close the gap here. And that was here, guys, with this candle, and also here with this candle here. So the price action which we had, it is just a small pump for swing traders. Maybe interesting here. But it was 40% and we closed this gap. So maybe what we need to see is here one gap down, one shakeout, that we have here again an oversold situation on the RSI. But as long as the bullish divergence is still active, which means that we don't create lower lows on the RSI, that would be technically here in favor for a squeeze. Of course, just when Faraday Future is not diluting again, when they continue to dilute the stock, then I have to say that honestly, guys, maybe even 76 cents, maybe even this, maybe not the bottom then. Here 68 cents, we could go even lower than that. You can see here 30 cents and even 20 cents are the next price goals in the chart, but I don't want to talk about them now since we don't know if they are diluting or not. Yeah, guys, keep that in mind. As long as we follow here this trend channel pattern, that means we will see a squeeze. If we see a breakout here out of this trend channel pattern, so let's say the top line here is waiting here at $1.50. Everything here back to $1.50 is not a squeeze, guys. When we start to retest here $1.97 to $2.15, this box here, that would be the beginning of a reversal. We can see that we start to build higher highs here. This is what we want to see for Faraday Future, guys. But as I said, maybe we need a little bit more drama here. Maybe we have to come back here in the $1 range or even a little bit lower, and then hopefully the bull stepping in and saying, okay, we try to save this company here and try to fight the short sellers. Yeah, guys, this is my update here. This is my update for Faraday Future. We have also one price goal here to the upside. If we see a squeeze, there is one open gap in the daily chart at $3.66. That is also here my liquidity zone, which usually supported the price in the past. So that could be, yeah, in case of a short squeeze here, that we have a 235% profit here, profit potential here for FFIE. As I said, just check out here also my other stocks which I'm showing here, guys, because we have so many squeezes in the market. It is really worth it to watch here, to visit my Patreon, guys, and check out what we have there. So guys, if you want to copy the price levels here, this is everything based on TradingView, what you see here. This is the chart program which I use for all my videos and all my trades, and I can highly recommend this to you. If you also want to get TradingView for yourself because you want to understand how the algos work, then you can save here $15 by using my discount link on the premium tier for TradingView. This is what I recommend. When you click also here the info icon in the corner, you get access to this $15 discount link for TradingView, guys, and I recommend that for beginners and advanced traders. Okay, guys, that was my update on FFIE. I hope that was helpful for you. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe button right now if you don't want to miss any updates. I thank you for your support. Thank you for your time. All the best and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Bis zum nächsten Video. Alles Gute. Bis bald. Take care. Bye bye, guys.